Today, I'm gonna tell you about PubCoder. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. PubCoder lets you create interactive digital content to publish as native apps for iOS and Android, as well as in ebooks and on HTML5. A digital publishing software designed to help you create interactive content fast. Create mobile-friendly, interactive digital content enhanced by animations, videos, sounds, widgets, and touch gestures. Publish responsive apps for iOS, Android, ebook, or HTML5 from one project file without any coding. With PubCoder, you don't need any special training to make interactive content. You can get started in just a few minutes. Here's how it works. Let's take a look at what you'll see on PubCoder's workspace. On the left is your Objects panel. This is where you can drop in objects like images, videos, and animations. Each object can be assigned an event, which is where the real magic starts to happen. But more on that in just a sec. So now, on the right you have an interactivity panel. Tools for creative minds to written all over it. PubCoder's main feature is creating interactions. That's where events come into play. Events are tapping, clicking, swiping, and all that. With PubCoder, you can attach an action or series of actions to each event. So, when someone taps, you can play a video. When they swipe, you can move an object. When they pinch to zoom, you can set off an erase siren, create without limits, and check out the read aloud feature. It lets you sync your text with a spoken audio file and highlights the words as they read. You can customize the text, color, and highlight style. It's perfect for audiobooks. PubCoder also lets you create quizzes, memory games, coloring activities, and tons more fun stuff, all without writing a single line of code. When your creation is ready, you have multiple export options for any device, website, or publication software. Create and distribute your interactive content for all platforms with the most powerful suite for digital publishing. A platform that made it easy to create interactive content and share it across every app store, in ebooks, and on your website. You can create interactive, mobile-friendly digital content right from your desktop without any coding or design skills. You can publish responsive apps for any screen size, format, or device, including iOS, Android, ebook, and HTML5. You will also be able to adapt your content for any language, so you can distribute it worldwide and grow your global audience in record time. You can add interactive elements, animations, videos, and sounds that bring your content to life using an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Your pages will be able to detect clicks, swipes, shakes, and other touch gestures on mobile or desktop devices. You will even be able to include interactive widgets like games, quizzes, and questionnaires. Plus, if you do know your way around some code, you can leverage a full-featured code editor to customize HTML headers, fine-tune CSS, or run custom JavaScript. PubCoder also lets you synchronize highlighted text with an audio file that reads it out loud. You'll be able to offer more accessibility and convenience for people who have trouble reading text. Best of all, PubCoder's audio synchronization is fully supported on all export formats, with built-in media overlays that provide a continuous listening experience. Get a quick preview of your project at any time and make changes until you're ready to publish. You can export your project in multiple formats like HTML for the web. PubCoder lets you publish your content as a native app for iOS and Android, either to the App Store, Google Play, or external applications like Apple iBooks. The tool also automatically validates your ebooks to ensure compliance, so it's ready for distribution in all digital bookstores. Easily create interactive content for all digital platforms. PubCoder supports incredible features to make it easy and fast to work on your content. Discover what you can do. Export your interactive digital content in HTML5 format and publish it anywhere on the web. Easily embed it on your website layout or display it as a standalone web app. With PubCoder, you get everything you need to whip up interactive content that's designed for multiple platforms, code-free. Create content without limit. So, click on the link below to PubCoder for an incredible price. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.